Have you ever wondered your mechanic asks you not to get a new part, but to get a used part, what they call Tokumbo or Benjo? Why? Why will you buy a part that's used in another car? You don't even know how long the user in another country uses it, and you think it's more quality compared to the new part. Yes, that can be true. There is what we call, there are different categories of parts. There is the OEM parts and there are the aftermarket parts. Now, aftermarket parts are car parts produced by manufacturers who are not recommended or authorized by the manufacturer of that car brand. So any company can come just produce a part that's compatible for a certain component in a vehicle, but nobody checks the quality of material or quality of parts that they produce. So those parts may not be durable. So sometimes using parts like used parts that are gotten from or recovered from old and dead vehicle or accidented vehicle can even be more durable than this aftermarket part. And that is really question now come, should I buy a Tokumbo or should I buy a brand new? So depending on the quality of the aftermarket part, which is perceived as a new part, it could be poorer than the already used part, which you call the Tokumbo or the Benjo part. So how do you make your decision in getting the right part, right auto parts or replacement parts for your vehicle? It's very simple. Number one, you need a trustworthy auto technician who is experienced in identifying the quality of the car part. If you are not in the auto industry, definitely you are going to need an auto technician who is experienced. So, but if you are not certain about your mechanic or it's not trustworthy enough, or you are not confident in him, what you have to do is you can seek service of auto support companies like us as Automotive. We will be there to help you procure those quality parts. Now, for buying new parts, it is recommended to buy an OEM part. So, an OEM part is approved and regulated by the manufacturer of that vehicle. They are very expensive, definitely. They are much expensive compared to the aftermarket part. An OEM part can be 5 times much expensive than the aftermarket part, but you are sure that you are getting quality. And now, when you want to get an OEM part, you don't just meet anybody and tell them, give me an OEM part, because you don't know the difference. They may give you an aftermarket part, which is not durable and which can fail you anytime. So what you do is either you buy directly from the authorized manufacturer or dealership or any of their affiliated agents, or you also meet a support agency like us who can help you procure those OEM parts. Another thing you can do is to verify by scanning the barcode on the parts and verifying if they are genuinely from the auto manufacturers. So all these are tips that you take to buy genuine auto parts that will last you longer. Remember, buying a genuine auto part does not just save you your money, but it also preserves the health of your vehicle and prolong its lifespan. So, as I usually say, feed your vehicle with what you want and it will give you the performance.